entertain now.
When I get up all in ya, we can hear the angels calling us, and we can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Rizky Amira Utara. My NPM 2341188. I'm from class management 23C. About explains introducing statistic. Statistic is powerful tool that allow us analyze data, draw meaningful calculation, and make informed decision. It plays a vital role in various fields, including scene, business, art, car, and social session. In this session, we will explore the fundamental of statistics, covering concepts like data, types, description, and inferential statistics, probability distribution, and hypothesis testing. What statistics? Statistics is the session of collection, organization, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. It helps us to understand better or make prediction and data. Draw calculation from data. It evaluation as what rank of station for gathering, explaining, and analyzing data to extract meaningful insights. Data calculation. This full gathering data from various sources as survey, explain of action database. Data analysis. This influencing static method to summary, visualize, and analysis data, identify pattern and relationship. Data interpretation. This influence drawing calculation and making inference based on the analysis of data. Data presentation. This influence presenting the finding of data analysis in a clear and concise manner using graph, charts, table, and report. Description phase. Inferential statistic, description statistic, summaries, and description data. Will inferential statistic use data to make generalization and prediction about population. Description statistics for on summarizing and presentation data. Will inferential statistics for on drawing calculation about population based on sample. Descriptive statistic, summaries, and description data. Use marker and of central tendency and variability, focus on the characteristic of the data. Inferential statistic use data make generalization and prediction. In flash hypothesis testing, confidence interval focuses on making inference about a population based on a sample. Types of data. Data can be categorized into different types based on its nature and how it can be measured. Understanding data types is essential for studying a prospective statistical method for analysis. And one, quantitative data. Types of data deal with numerous value and can be measured objective. Examples include height, weight, age, and temperature. And two, qualitative data. This type data deal with description category or an attribute that cannot be measured numerically, explain, include color, gender, on opening. And 3. Discrete data. This type of data can only take on finite number value. Value number explained include the number of cars in parking lot, the number of students in class, and the number of hand one flipping coin. And 4. Continuous data. This type of data can take on any value within a range, including decimal, explain, include height, weight, temperature, and time. Measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency help us understand central or typical value of dataset. The profit a single value that represents the average of most common value in this distribution. Measure of variability. Measure of variability describe the spread of the expression of data point in a dataset. They tell us how much the data value vary from the central tendency. And 1. Range. The difference between the highest and lowest value in dataset. And 2. Variance. The average of the square difference between as data point and the mean standard deviation. The square root of the variance is distinct the typical deviation from the mean. Probability distribution. Probability distribution describes the likelihood of different outcome of a random variable. The are essential for understanding and behavior of random event and making predictions about future outcomes. Normal distribution. A symmetrical distribution with a Gauss-dependent curve clearly found in many natural phenomena. Binomial description describe the probability of a correct number of success in series of independent trial. Poisson description. Poisson distribution represents the probability of a current number of events occurring with a specific time or space. Hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is the statistical method used to determine whether in the individual to support or reject claim about population in formulating an hypothesis and uncertainty hypothesis, collecting data and analyzing to determine if the null hypothesis should rejected. Correlation and regression. Correlation and regression are statistical used to analyze the relationship between two or more variable. Correlation measures the strength on and direction of the linear association between variables, while regression model the relationship and predict the value of one variable based on another. Profession correlation as variable Ensure the owner variable also ensure such negative correlation as one variable is the other variable there no correlation. There are linear relationship between. Application for statistics. One, head analyzing of data, business making, marketing, finance, managing, investment, judging and value taking, social system study. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.